All right, happy 2023. It's New Year's. Got a couple of crazy machines here from Minelab for 2023. But I want to wish you guys all a good year full of health, prosperity, and hope you dig all kinds of nice treasures this year. So to get started with, they got a couple of gorgeous gals here from Minelab with me today. I got the Equinox 900 here on the desk and the Manticore. These things are beautiful masterpieces of design and engineering. You look at the screen on the Manticore, the menu system, the just almost industrial style build quality of this thing. It just feels in your hand like you got every penny you spent on it in value. Does it hold up in the field with the actual hands-on and taking it out there? I can say that in iron, yes, I'm thoroughly impressed with this thing. It's everything I hoped for so far and then some. And I don't know if it's going to take the CTX 3030 out of my hands yet. It's trying. But I want to take it out to the gold fields, dig some gold with it, take it to the beach. There's already a couple great videos out there on beach detecting with it. So I know it's going to be fun at the beach and super deep. But in the meantime, I know it's also tough for you guys to get this in your hand and actually hold it and look at it. So I made a video for you today. Close-up video of the Manticore, kind of showing you everything on it. And it's one thing to see it in video, but it's another thing to hold it in your hand. Like I said, it's just a masterpiece. When you hold it in your hand, you just feel like you got your money's worth. So anyway, having said that, let's go ahead and take a look at this video. I got some rain coming for the next few days, so I'll be doing some YouTube live events with you guys, some question and answers, and happy to do that with you over the next few days. And let me know if you want to see a similar video to today's video on the Equinox 900, and I'll do the same thing for you on the 900 if you want to see that. But in the meantime, as always, feel free to leave any comments down below. I read them all, and enjoy the video. All right, take care.